Having a car can be a wonderful thing, but the moment something goes wrong, finding the right mechanic can be a nightmare. Dealing with the wrong one can be even worse. It's overwhelming and intimidating because they are holding all the cards. Are they honest? Are their prices fair? Is their work reliable? And how long will it take? You need a second opinion, but getting one estimate is hard enough. Who has time to get multiple estimates? Introducing the Zanmar Auto App, the biggest breakthrough in auto care since power tools. Zanmar puts you back in control with local mechanics bidding to earn your business. So when Tom, the college student, realizes it might be time for new brakes, he opens his Zanmar Auto App to enter a service request. Zanmar notifies providers in his local area, and within minutes, Tom can choose from multiple shops based on lowest bid, best rating, or both. And when Caitlin noticed her car starting to sputter on the way to work, but couldn't take any more time off, she opened the Zanmar Auto App and specified the exact day and time she needed her car fixed. With the touch of a button, Zanmar had 5 mechanics fighting to fit into her schedule. No more spending time calling shop after shop, no more blindly trusting a mechanic, and no more trying to fit into their schedule. Stop choosing your mechanic the hard way. Join the revolution and take back control of your auto care services. When it comes to auto repairs, Zanmar takes the guesswork out and puts you in the driver's seat. Download the Zanmar app today.